Hello everyone. Are you wondering what based means? Let's explore. Based is a term used to describe someone who is unapologetically true to themselves, often in a way that goes against mainstream opinions or political correctness. Being based is about standing firm in your beliefs and actions, regardless of what others might think. The term has its roots in internet culture and has been adopted by various communities to praise someone for being authentic, bold, or rebellious. When someone is called based, it's usually a compliment, indicating that they are respected for their confidence and refusal to conform. It can also be used to describe opinions or statements that challenge conventional thinking or social norms. In essence, being based is about embracing your own truth and living authentically, even if it means going against the grain. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.